Yes, hello. Yes, hello. Welcome to Hair by Clippers channel and welcome, welcome. Yes, today we're going to see something that is very, very interesting. And in this video, I think it's going to be the last video. So you just have to watch it very, very careful. And I'm going to make sure that I apply everything that you will need to know so that we don't get lost, because I told you it's the last video that we are going to be doing concerning about the Wonder Twist. So now let's get it on with this one and we get to learn. So if it's your first time to be on this channel, please let's do this together. All right, yes, I know each one of you have done it. So this hairstyle is called the Wonder Twist, and we're going to be starting it this way. As you have been saying, I told you it's gonna be the last video and I'm going to be showing you, so you just have to be attentive if you want to learn. Now I got a very, very trick hair. I don't know how I can explain, but the hair was very tricky in that it has got a lot of volume, and if you try to look at it, it is straight hair but with a lot of growth. So now we are going to be trying to do the Wonder Twist. But remember, when you have the growth, there are some things that we always need to do so that we can allow our wonder weave to stay there and last long. So the only thing we have to first do is to plate this into threes. Yes, into threes, and we are doing the inside knotless. The way you can see that the way I'm doing it right now, it is just from inside. And since most of the times this hairstyle, like, it doesn't have some of these colors, this is how I'm going to be adding my colors, though I've just tried to use the Afro Kinky the Afro Kinky as I'm going to be showing you. I've tried to use the Afro Kinky, and this is the color 2900 for those ones who know it, as I'm going to be showing you in this video. So you make sure that your lines are very, very neat, as usual, the way we always do, because you just have to be very, very careful. This hair doesn't need to be overpacked. You understand what I'm saying? And I know that those people who like overpacking their hair, but when it comes to this hair, you don't need to overpack it. You know why? It's just because when you overpack it, it loses its meaning and it's gonna make someone uncomfortable, because we do this hair when someone can be able to hold it maybe a half puff, or to leave it falling. It can be a sideway or a middle way according to the design that you want it. So you don't need to make it, or you don't need to overpack it. That's what I can tell you. So we just have to make sure that our boxes are very neat. And you seeing me applying this kinky is just because I want it to look to be firm. You know how when it comes to kinky, what I mean. So I'm applying it to get two in one, in that I'm going to be having a different color of that maroon passing through my braiding that I'm going to be twisting, and then I'm trying to make the hair very firm. You understand what I'm saying? So that my twist cannot come out from this hair. So this is the twisting that I'm trying to do. And if you try to look at the hair, already the color is passing through, and still even my kinky is going to be able to hold it very perfect. You can see. And yes, whenever I always do something like this, I always want you guys to go right in my comment section, tell me what you feel about the hair. Yes, tell me what you feel about the hair, so that we continue learning with Hair by Clippers. So this is how my extension looks like, and I'm gonna be showing you the perks and how it looks so that you can also get to learn how to use it and you do it yourself. So this is how it looks, and I'm trying to play it this way. You can see someone's gonna ask me the gel that I'm using, and please, that is the molding gel. Yes, it's the molding gel that oh sorry, it's the eco gel that I'm using. Yeah, most of the times I use the molding gel from the scalp, the one that help to collect the whole hair together, and now here I'm applying the eco gel. Yeah, because it makes it very smooth for me, so that even this raw hair can also be in my extension very firm. So this is how you can do this hair, and trust me, it can be very very good if you try to follow all these steps. So you can see how we're trying to do it, and I told you at Hair by Clippers we do it as a team so that our work can be very easy. Yeah, can be very easy, so that yeah, it is like chap chap whenever we start to do. So the only thing we have to know about this hairstyle is, yes, like those ones who have been asking themselves, like the hair piece that we always use, this is the hair piece that we use, and excuse me, like it depends on the type or and the how you have part your boxes, how they look like, and now you can be able to do these, you can be able to do it, use the pieces that you're supposed to use. And even the eco gel, this is how it looks, plus the molding gel that I use when I'm basing. So any question from that, I'll just be expecting it from my comment, or my go in my comment section. I'll be there waiting for it. You don't have to overpack it. And number two, when you have short, very short hair, yes, yes, like sorry about that. Like it might be hard for you to do it, because when you have short hair, sometimes it may not be easy to hold a big box, right? To part a big box. You understand what I'm trying to say? So that's why it might be very hard for you to have this kind of hair. And another thing is, like, this kind of hair is for all hair type. Uh, Even if you have a natural hair, you have straight hair, you can still have this hair done on you. So this is how we just keep on doing it, just tracing it that way, and trust me, you will love it if you try it out. So the number two thing you have to do is try to apply that kinky. When you apply that kinky, it helps to make the hair firm. Yes, it makes the hair firm, and uh, uh, like I don't know how I can explain, but it makes the hair firm, and even it helps this extension to be also to be firm with the hair inside, so that it cannot be unplaited. As you can see how it looks, because remember the hair itself is straight and has got a lot of growth. So I'm trying to apply this kinky so that I get the texture, the real texture of my extension, so that they can merge together and they can be firm. Because remember, our extension is just twisted that way. So if you try to make it hard, it cannot be as neat the way it was. So the only thing you just have to do is to apply that kinky, so that it can be as good as you wish to be. So this is how our twisting looks like, very very soft and flexible. So you just have to trim those last endings, so that you can do we can do it very very perfect. And I love it already the way it looks like, because I've created my line, my other color the way I wanted it, And now we're just going to do the last the last touch, so that we can do this. So this is how it looks, and please make sure that you subscribe on Hair by Clippers. And those ones who want to learn online courses, please, we started with the inside corners, it's on, and now how to do the extended dread is also on. You can still go and learn more about that. So this is how it works. I'm gonna be signing out so that we get in touch some other time. This is Hair by Clippers, and we say it is neat like expected. Bye bye. See you guys.